Cass&Zayn.
Hey guys, welcome back to Cass&Zayn. We're making slime for our trick-or-treat series.
We're going to put the slime in these little cups, and we're going to make all the slime out of these glues. All we need is glue and Elmer's magical liquid. What color do you want to do?
Green.
We're adding green food coloring to the glue.
Green or finger sign.
Now we're going to add the magical liquid and mix it all up for the slime to form. What color is that one?
Green. Green to finger sign.
What color is it?
Orange. Whoa, this is so exciting. Whoa, I see it?
Mm-hmm.
The chicken. Coco.
Kind of does look like a chicken.
Coco.
What color do you want to make now?
Purple.
Purple, alright. Okay, start mixing.
I'll make it.
Purple slime. There's one. Now we're adding more Elmer's magical liquid. Okay.
Purple slime. Wow, a slime, Mommy. I did the bubble. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Brother's making slime.
Because it says slime.
Check out all the slimes that we made for our trick-or-treaters. We made a little sensory bag for Zane. We made 100 containers of slime.
100 slime. Hi guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye. Happy Halloween.
Cass&Zayn.